about Project X silver clay. While your clay may appear dry at first glance, it's simply part of its design. The unique dryness of the clay upon opening the package is a result of the vacuum packing process, which compacts the clay. This innovative process is effortless. Either roll the clay or knead it with your fingers before proceeding on with what you're making. It is a fundamental principle to knead your clay to awaken the elasticity of the binder. Project X metal clay is crafted to transform into a perfectly smooth and workable substance without the need for water. Knead your clay to awaken the elasticity of the binder without adding water to fresh clay, which can lead to unwanted stickiness. You can use either a torch or kiln to fire the clay. Set your kiln to 898 degrees Celsius and fire for 30 minutes for the highest hardness and maximum durability. For torch firing, burn off the binder and fire for 2 minutes. All silver clay shrinks a different percentage. Check the pack for details. For semi-dry clay, add 1 drop per 5 grams of clay. Mix well, then add water until the desired workability is achieved. For dry clay, add 5 drops per 5 grams, then water until the desired workability is achieved. You can buy in-store, over the phone or online at Cooksongold.com.